morning everyone, and thank you so much for joining in with me today for this AsterSpring workshop, even though it's quite early on a Saturday morning, but we're so happy that you're here with us today. So welcome back to another AsterSpring workshop, and today we'll be showing you even more ways that you can take care of your skin right in the comfort of your own home. So I would like to invite all of you to sit down with me, chill with me, and we're gonna learn about the Face Gym together. Yay!
Face Gym is a method of using facial massage techniques to work together and complement the benefits of your skincare products. It helps to complete the daily skincare routine by targeting the muscles while the skincare products enhance the skin from the outside. Our faces have more than 40 muscles which give us the ability to move around and show our expressions. They also help to lift up our skin and give us that youthful bounce and firmness. Through Face Gym, we can help to rejuvenate our skin with the facial massage techniques, and this also helps with the absorption of products. This will oxygenate our skin and help to maintain that youthful appearance. Also enhances your whole skincare routine by toning up the muscles for that overall glow.
So we'll get straight into the topic today. Do I need to change up my skincare brands every 3 months to see results? So is it really true? Does our skincare products actually lose its effectiveness? Our skincare brands actually lose effectiveness after we use it for a long time? The answer is actually no. So what is actually happening is that our skin itself is changing. So our skin is changing more, so we will probably need to upgrade products rather than our products itself is losing its efficacy.
So we're going to be going through the moves soon, and I'll take you through them step by step. Let's try out the moves. So I'll squeeze out a pea-sized amount and I'll apply it to my neck area and also on my face. Okay, so for the first move, it will be to relieve neck tension. So this is a really good move to do to give your neck a good stretch, especially if you've been spending a lot of time hunched over your laptop. So how you're going to do it is you're going to bend your neck to each side, and while you're doing that, massage the top corners of your eyebrows, and this will help lift up the eye area. Alright, so we're going to be doing the move for 30 seconds on each side. So here I'm just using my ring finger and middle finger to massage the top corners of my eyebrows, and you'll lift up all the eye area while you're stretching out your neck. Okay, so we're done on one side. We need to balance it out and repeat it on the other side as well. Okay, so here we go on the other side. Another 30 seconds. So continue to massage the top corners of your eyebrows to lift up everything while you're stretching out your neck area. Okay, so we're done with that move. After stretching out my neck, I definitely feel that it's more relaxed, loosened up, and I'm ready for the next move. Okay, so the next move will be to sharpen up our jawline area. So we want to sharpen up the jawline, give it that contoured look. I'm going to be applying some more Power Oxygen Essence specifically to my jawline area so that it's easier to massage. So we're going to be using a knuckling method. So using your 2 fingers on each hand, we're going to be massaging from the middle of the chin outwards. Okay, so we're gonna do this move for 30 seconds as well. So when you're doing this, really take your time to massage the jawline so you really sculpt it out and give yourself that contoured look. Alright, so we're done with our jawline. For the next move will be to lift and depuff the cheek area. So sometimes when we wake up in the morning, our cheek area might be a little bit puffy. So what you can do is some massages to sculpt it out, depuff it, and give you that V-shaped face that we're all looking for. So here I'm just going to apply a little bit more serum onto my cheeks area. So here we're using the knuckling method again. So we're starting from the lower cheek and moving up towards the cheekbone. Okay, so you can repeat this move in circular motions for 30 seconds. Massage from the bottom up because you want to lift up everything while you're depuffing the cheek area. I can already feel my face getting a lot slimmer. And we're done! Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next move. We focus on our eye area. To depuff the eye area, rejuvenate it back up in the morning.
What you need to do is glide from the inside to the outside of your eyes. So we're going to be doing it on the bottom and the top as well. So for the bottom, we're just gliding it and stopping at the temples. And then for the top, we're gliding it over our eyebrows and stopping at the temples as well. Okay, so I've applied my serum. Let me just apply a little bit more. Okay, so we have applied the serum and we're going to be doing the bottom for 30 seconds and the top for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go. So for the bottom of the eyes, just depuffing it, waking up in the morning. More seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay. So now we're going to do another 30 seconds on the top of our eyes, so on top of our eyebrows. So another 30 seconds and go. Oops. 30-second timer. So massage to release any tension, to just relax and depuff your eyes in the morning. So 5 more seconds. Okay, great. So those are a few moves that you can do on your eyes to have to depuff and just make them wake up in the morning. Okay, so the next one, the forehead. So for the forehead, we want to smoothen and lift up the forehead. So I have 2 moves for you. One is using our fingers, so the middle finger and ring finger. Same on 2 hands, and we're going to alternate to move and massage upwards. Because with skin massages, we always want to be moving upwards to lift up and smoothen out everything. So that's the first move, and then the next one will be this, to smoothen out the forehead and just relax your whole forehead area, because sometimes we tend to have wrinkles and fine lines that form there, right? So we want to prevent this, and we can do this with our face massage along with our serums. So okay, let's do 30 seconds on each move. Can we have the timer? Okay. So let's go. First one, I'm going to be starting in the middle of the forehead and then slowly move to the side, left side first, then I'm going back to the middle, and then I'm going to move to the right side. Okay, so 5 more seconds. Yay! Okay, so we're done with that 30 seconds for that move. And then we're going to do another 30 seconds of the second movement, so this way. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's start. Just moving it and smoothing out the forehead. So we have 10 more seconds. Okay, so we're done with our face massages. And do remember to follow us on our social media pages.
Remember to like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, I think that's all the questions we have for today. So, yes, do we need to change our skincare brands every 3 months? Nope. Well, we just need to make sure that we're on top of all our skin changes. We use Face Gym to enhance everything and complement everything. So, thank you again for joining us today. I know it's very early on a Saturday, but thank you for spending this time with us. And hoping that everyone stays safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the future workshops. Bye!